arbitrationagreements.org. When conflict arises in our personal or professional lives, the first thing that often comes to mind is a courtroom. The image of judges, lawyers, and drawn-out proceedings can be intimidating, but there's another way, a way that is often swifter, less stressful, and more cost-effective. Alternative dispute resolution. Many of you might be thinking, how long does this process take? Well, according to recent studies, the average time frame for ADR processes like mediation is between a few hours to a few weeks, depending on the complexity and the willingness of the parties. Courtroom litigation can stretch over months and even years. The statistics speak for themselves. One study found that 70% of mediations reach a resolution within a day. That's efficiency. Compare this with courtroom litigation, where even the simplest cases can take upwards of 18 months to reach a conclusion. Now, this does not mean that ADR is a shortcut or any less thorough. It simply indicates that without the formal procedures and protocols of a court, parties can focus directly on resolving the matter at hand. This directness often results in swifter resolutions. There are many advantages that ADR holds over courtroom litigation. It's not just about time, though that's certainly a big factor. It's about the personal touch, the ability to craft unique solutions, and the confidentiality that ADR provides. Parties have more control over the outcome and often walk away with a sense of satisfaction, knowing they played an active role in reaching a resolution. Furthermore, consider the costs. Courtroom litigation can be expensive. Legal fees, court fees, and the time spent away from work can add up. Alternative dispute resolution, by comparison, can save parties significant amounts of money. And let us not forget the emotional toll. Litigation can be draining. So, if you find yourself or your organization in a dispute, think about alternative dispute resolution. It offers a quicker, more personal, and often more satisfactory way of addressing conflict. For more information about ADR, head over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about ADR? Which advantage is your favorite? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.